Hello viewers. Welcome to Natural and Simple channel. If you are new to us, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to helps dry out the pimples, and helps prevent further breakouts on your skin. This is how to transform your skin complexion in 4 weeks. When your skin becomes clogged with dead skin, oil, or bacteria, tiny pimples appear on the surface. This method is very helpful. Peel off one ripe banana and make the pieces. Mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste. Bananas contain nutrients, some of which may help with skin health. These include potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, traces of vitamin A. Bananas are not only the ultimate on-the-go breakfast food, but happen to have incredible beauty benefits when slathered on your face. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Applying antioxidants to your skin may help protect from free radical damage. You may also be left with more glowing skin. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mixed well. Baking soda is one ingredient that you will always find in your kitchen cabinet, but have you ever thought of including it in your beauty regime? Baking soda balances the pH levels of your skin. It also helps in exfoliating the dead skin cells. It helps dry out the pimple, and its antibacterial property helps prevent further breakouts on your skin. Add a few drops of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil can also help heal acne and slowly clear blemishes, providing all the moisture and hydration the skin needs. Add all the ingredients in a small bowl. Use a fork to finely mash the banana while mixing the ingredients. Apply and leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Keep the mask on for 10-15 minutes. When the mixture has completely dried on your face, then wash off with warm water. Pat dry with a towel, and marvel at the smooth feel of your skin. Apply the moisturizer upwards from your chin to your cheeks and then to your forehead using a gentle circular motion. You'll get an immediate brightening effect, beautiful and clear skin. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next videos.